Now Drivers tab displays a list of drivers that work for a specific courier company and deliver orders. You can view a list of drivers that are logged in the system in the Drivers tab. You can also sort them into two categories, namely inactive and active. If you wish to add a new driver to the system, you need to click the plus button located in the top right corner of the page and fill in the fields, providing an email of a driver, first and last name, indicating phone number, birth date, gender, set status to active, create a login and password for that driver so that he or she can log in to the system using the mobile application Shipox, provide an ID card number, ID card expiry date, license number, license expiry date. Then you need to select the courier company that this driver is going to be linked to, select a source courier company, indicate vehicle, and a warehouse that this driver is going to cover. Then if you wish, you need to add a photo of a driver for eased identification and press submit. Driver's attendance, that is located under the Drivers tab, allows to track drivers' attendance and evaluate their performance. Their performance is going to be visible once the system is going to be enhanced with sufficient number of drivers, and you can view their attendance here. Driver wallet displays the amount of money earned by driver. Total amount here shows the total amount of money that a driver has earned during the entire time of partnership with a courier company. Last transaction is the amount of money that has been earned by a driver for the last delivery. And status indicates the status of a driver, active and inactive. Driver's dashboard displays general information about drivers and information or status of orders that they have been assigned to. Once the status of an order is updated and the driver is assigned, it will be visible on the driver's dashboard, which allows admins to track and manage the delivery. Driver fee rule enables admins to create rules for drivers' payroll. Payroll may be fixed or in the form of commissions or a combination of both. In order to create rules for drivers' payroll, press the plus button located in the top right corner of the page. Then you need to fill in the fields accordingly, providing first and last name, providing a brief description, set status to active, indicate fixed amount that the driver will receive for any type of delivery, for example 10,000, and indicate public charge commission, for example 10%. Then you need to click this toggle and indicate kilometer divisor, kilometer included, and price per kilometer. Kilometer divisor is by default 1, kilometer included would be 10 kilometers, for example, and price per kilometer, let's say it's 5,000. Then you need to add rules. In order to add rules, you need to click the gray button and click the toggle and add condition. Then you need to select any option from the drop-down menu, for example city from and city to, which will indicate the area of delivery. Set it equal to and select finally the city, for example Andijan to Asaka. So what this means: fixed amount, as it has been mentioned before, driver will receive 10,000 for a single delivery, plus a commission of 10% because we have fixed and per kilometer feature turned on. This public charge commission will be deducted from delivery fee. If any other type of payroll is needed, please set one of the variables to 1. For example, if your driver is receiving a commission-based type of salary, you will need to set fixed amount to 0. If it's just fixed, you will need to set public charge commission to 0 because he's not receiving any commission. And if it's just a mix of both, you need to enable this feature and indicate both numbers and by filling the both fields. Kilometer divisor is by 1 by default. Kilometer included is 10, which indicates the kilometers included in the delivery base fare. And price per kilometer indicates an additional price that will be charged per an additional kilometer of distance that is going to be traveled outside of these 10 kilometers included in the base fare. And to save the changes, you need to press the double arrow located in the bottom right corner.